Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to weld a T-joint. It's going to be a 3-pass weld, and it's going to look something like this. You're going to have your first pass, your second pass, and your third pass. So let's get started. So after I weld each pass, I will show you the outcome. So I ran my bead so that I'm hitting both the top and the bottom, about 50% on each plate. So my next pass, I'm going to want about 50% overlap on the previous weld. Unfortunately guys, I'm just starting this out, so I don't have those fancy videos where you get the weld pool and all that, but I'm going to look into those very shortly. This T-joint is a good weld to learn when you're a beginner welder. Something I learned when I was beginning. So here we go, pass number 2. So I don't burn my hand anymore. Okay guys, that's pass number 2. And then pass number 3 is going to finish up the top here. That's the final outcome. What you see there is that. I ran these at 120 amps, and that should be pretty much where you want to weld most of your shop stuff if you're going to do CWB or just messing around. Well, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I helped some of the new welders out. See you next time.